Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Today I'm doing a wedding decor haul. These are a bunch of things that I've accumulated over the months since I've been engaged. I have a bunch of stuff from Target, Amazon, Michael's, and a couple other stores. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. The first store is from Target. So this is something I bought a while ago. This is like a little dessert stand. This was $5. It was from their like $1, $3 section. I bought two of these and I think I'm going to use them for the bridal shower. I'm probably going to put little desserts like strawberries or something like that. And then they had a lot of wedding decor and wedding things at the dollar section. So I bought a bunch of things. These are little date cards. I'm probably going to set these out at the wedding for people to write down their little ideas. And then I got these for the bridal shower. These are going to be for the mimosas. They're just little gold umbrellas. Going to be really cute. And then I got these little chalk stands. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for. Probably for the bridal shower, for little desserts to name them. And then another thing from their dollar section. These are table numbers. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for table numbers yet. I've had a bunch of ideas, but I thought these were really pretty. Just in case I don't figure anything out, I can use these because they're really pretty. And then I also found these at the wedding section at the $3 section. So these are little champagne glasses. And they're just clear with little gold sparkles. And I thought they were perfect for like the decorations that I'm going to be using. And then I also bought these balloons. They're just white balloons with like greenery. So I've seen these on Pinterest a lot. And I was going to do them myself. I was just going to buy a big balloon, big white balloons, and put leaves on them. But I saw these and I was like, oh, this is perfect. I was going to do this. And they were only $1 for 5 balloons. So I thought that was really, really affordable. And then I got another cake stand or dessert stand. Probably going to use this for the wedding and the bridal shower because it's just clear. These were $5. And I got these pretty recently. They were from the Easter section. So they just have like this gold, this little detail on the edge. It's so pretty. I got 2 of those for the bridal shower and the wedding. And then I got this little chalkboard. It says like to use our hashtag. You just put your hashtag right here. And then I bought these chalk pencils. They're like crayons. I have a few chalkboard things, so I thought these would be pretty useful. And then this is another thing from their wedding section. This is a bingo game, and this is going to be for the bridal shower. I'm going to have a couple different games. So this one is really cool because it already has like bride to be on there. I was probably going to make them myself, but this is so perfect that they came out with that. And then this is just another chalkboard easel. This one was $3 from their dollar section. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for yet. I just bought so many chalkboard things because I know I'm going to need them either for the bridal shower or for the wedding. And then this is a guest book. I'm not sure what I'm doing for the guest book yet either. So I just got this one because I thought it was really pretty, and it's only $3 just in case I don't figure something out. I can always just use this one. It's really pretty. And then from Target as well, I got this little tray. I'm going to use this for the bridal shower. I'm not sure what for, just for like the little dessert table. And then, let me see. The last thing I got from Target are these vases. These were from the dollar section. These were $3. I bought a ton of these because I'm going to use them for my centerpieces at the wedding. So I found them. I had bought a bunch of them in the stores. I went to a bunch of different stores trying to find as many as I needed, and then I found them online, and I just bought them all online. And I was just testing it out the other day. So this is kind of what they're going to look like. I just thought this color was So perfect. I'm so happy that I found a ton of them online. And oh, there's one more thing that I bought from Target. I bought these mugs. These are for the bridal shower. They're going to be the little prizes for the games that we play. I bought 2 mugs and this little passport wallet. I still have to buy a few more things, but I bought these. I think I still have to buy a few more gifts, but I saw those and I thought those were really cute, so I'm sure other people will like them if I like them. That's everything that I got from Target. I have just a few things from Michael's. I got this sign. It just says love, and I'm going to use it for the bridal shower. I just needed some more decorations, and I thought this one was really pretty. It was like $10. It was a little expensive, but I thought it was so cute. And then I got these little chalk stands. I'm going to use these for the bridal shower as well, for the mimosa bar. I think I'm just going to put like the fruits, label the fruits on here, strawberry, mango, whatever I use. Okay, and then next, I got a few things from Walmart. Just a few. I got these jars. These are going to be for the bridal shower to use for the mimosa bar. So I have 3 of them. I'm going to have 3 different juices. And these are really nice because they already have the chalk sign on here. And they come with chalk. It comes with chalk inside, so I'm just going to write it on there. Okay. And then this is the last thing I have from Walmart. I actually bought this a couple of years ago. I bought a few of them a couple of years ago for a different party. So I'm just going to reuse them for the bridal shower. I think they go perfect with the decorations. So I bought these a while ago, and then I'm going to buy a few more. I saw them recently, so I'm pretty sure they still have them at the stores. Okay, and then I bought a few things from Amazon. Just little things like these little like toothpicks. I think I'm going to use these for cupcakes or muffins, something like that. They're just little gold rings, engagement rings, I guess. And then I got these banners. This one says from Miss to Miss, and then I honestly can't remember what this one says, but it's something related to like the bridal shower. I'm going to use these for the bridal shower. And then I also got these, I think they're drink stirrers. They are going to be used for the mimosas, so I'm just going to put them in there. And they're gold and they say love. So they kind of match this sign, so it's perfect. And then the last thing I got from Amazon are these little boxes. They're just little boxes you kind of build yourself. You just fold them. And I'm going to use these for the party favors for the bridal shower. I'm not really sure what I'm going to put in them yet. I think I'm probably going to put like cookies or something like that, some little treat, and just tie a little ribbon to make it look pretty. That's everything from Amazon. And then I got a few things from the dollar store. I got these gold straws. I'm probably going to use these for just for drinks, because I'm going to use mason jars like set up on each table, and I'm probably going to put these in there. It's going to look really pretty. And then I just got this gold picture frame. This is going to be for the mimosa bar. I made the sign. I made it using the app PicMonkey. I just designed it and then I sent it to Walgreens to print it out, just like a regular photo. And this frame was perfect. And then from the dollar store, I also got these champagne glasses. I had bought these before. I bought the Target ones. Where'd they go? The sparkly gold ones. Before I found these, I like these better. But I had already bought these. And I'm probably going to use a combination of the both because these are really cute. They're little gold ones. And okay, I think that's everything that I have from all the different stores. These are all things I've accumulated kind of over the months since I've gotten engaged. Got engaged in July last year, so it's been a while. Let me know if you guys have any questions on anything. I'm going to try and link everything down below. I know some of the things from Target that are from the dollar section, you can't find them online. I've tried finding them, but you can't. So I'm going to try and link everything that I can. And thank you guys for watching.